What's up, guys? It's your boy Saint Joe. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. So good to see you once again. Happy new month. I think this is the first video I'm making for the month of March, and I'm here to give you the March update on arbitrage. All right. So in this video I'll be talking to you guys about the March updates. That's what's changed this month in terms of the banks that works, the platforms that work, and as well, very important, the rates. Okay, it's no longer the same. It's no longer the same, and you need to be aware of that before doing any transaction online. All right. So welcome once again. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you love the content we share out there in this channel. All right, so it's a good way to encourage us to do what we do. All right, and once you click that subscribe button, please do also click on that bell icon. What this does is that whenever we post an amazing content just like this one, YouTube is going to notify you, so you'll be the first, all right, to watch the video, take advantage of whatever content I post out there in the video. All right, so do well to click on that bell icon. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I would like to invite you all to a free NFT masterclass that will be coming up. I'll be hosting it, and Mr. Joe is going to be speaking on this NFT masterclass. Okay, it's going to commence on 4th to 6th of this month. And what's today's date? Today is 3rd. Wow. Okay, so this class is going to be starting tomorrow. Okay, 8 p.m. is the time. Please, no African time. All right, no African time. Our 8 p.m. is 8 p.m. Okay, so do well to attend. It's free. Okay, I actually promised you guys that we are going to host an NFT class, so this is it. Okay, and it's going to be starting tomorrow. Don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out. All right, so in today's video I'll briefly talk to you guys about the first bank, that's Access Bank, not First Bank right now. I mean, like, first on my list. Okay, so Access Bank. Now in terms of Access exclusive subscriptions, something really changed this month, and I'll quickly show you guys. So if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to do so, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. What other method? I'll attend to you guys later. Okay, so let's quickly go to Access exclusive channel. Okay, I don't think I can do this right now, but we can actually do it as well. So this is the platform where you actually subscribe for your Access exclusive. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Okay, so what really changed about them? First of all, the rate for Access Bank increased. Okay, it increased, and I think it's around 490 per dollar right now, and still not bad, depending on the platform you are using it. Okay, so for those who subscribe for our premium updates, I believe you are enjoying the update, and I hope you are still staying profitable. All right, so there's nothing affecting you right now. It's just a little a slice of your profits. Okay, so it's nothing, all right, so you are still in profits. Okay, so currently now Access has 3 subscriptions, which you already know: the annual, the quarterly, and the monthly. Okay, the annual subscription right now is at 63k, as against 82,000 naira that it was before. So they reduced the limit as well as the price. Okay, previously, before now, we subscribe yearly plan for 82,000 naira, but right now it's at 63,000 plus. Okay, when I mean plus, is like 63,400 or 63,800, something like that. Okay, so but it's not above that. Okay, so the quarterly plan now still goes for 22k. Nothing really changed about that. Okay, sorry, it still goes for 90k plus. It was reduced from 22k to 90k plus. Okay, and the yearly plan is back again to 6,500. all right, which is not advisable. So it's best to go for the quarterly or the yearly. And based on the limits, the yearly plan was slashed from $2,000, and now we have $1,000. That's really bad of our economy, okay, to do such to us. Okay, so and the quarterly plan was slashed from 1,000 to 500, from $1,000 to 500. And the monthly plan, oh god, it was slashed. It was sliced from 500 to $200. That's too poor. All right, so that's the black card you're seeing there, Visa signature card. Okay, so that's too poor. That's way too poor. That's why I don't advise you guys to do the monthly plan. All right, it's a waste of fund, okay, and waste of opportunity as well. So that's it, guys. So the rate has been increased as well as the limit reduced. Okay, the limit reduced. So I'm going to be giving you a little bit of arbitrage trading tips. Okay, so listen carefully to this so that you don't make the mistake. Okay, and don't forget to smash that like button, please. All right, so one of the arbitrage tips I'm going to be giving you guys, like for those who are in the premium platform, who subscribe for the premium updates, first of all, you need to calculate your profits even before you start doing the transaction. You need to know what the rate is like. You need to know at what rate you are selling, the buying rate, the selling rate. Okay, the buying rate, that's the one you're using your card to buy. The selling rate, that's the one you're selling from Binance. Okay, so you need to calculate that before you even go into a transaction. Take for instance, there is this coin ASR. Now, when you are buying, when you are doing an arbitrage and it has to do with buying ASR, you need to know the current price of ASR. You need to understand if the trend has changed before you go ahead to do this. Why I'm saying this is because this coin can actually make you lose a whole lot of money, even without you knowing it. Okay, let me quickly show you something on Binance. I do this a lot. I do this a lot, almost in all the arbitrage stuff that I do. Okay, I do this a lot, and I will encourage you to do same as well. Okay, Binance is a little bit slow. Okay, now let me go to ASR for instance. This also happens with TRX, so you've got to be careful when you're trading on these platforms. Okay, for instance, now the selling rate now, or the buying rate on ASR is 2.980. Okay, but I have to check the trend, like I have to check the chart to know if this is on a declining mood. All right, so as you can see, it's just ranging. Okay, let me check the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so can you see this now? All right, now right now this particular coin, it we don't know yet if it is going to decline or if it is going to push up, but what we can be sure of is to check our BTC chart to see where BTC is headed, and with that we can actually predict what is going to happen. Now BTC is at indecision candle right here. Okay, so there is every tendency that this coin is going to dip. All right, there's every tendency that it is going to dip. So if you must transact now, then you have to be really fast when you're trading on ASR. Okay, because this coin can actually dump from 2.9 down to 2.6 within half second. That's how bad it is. Okay, and it does the same when it is trending up. Okay, so you've got to be really careful. Like if for instance now I am going to buy probably $100 should be giving me like 30 ASR. Okay, let me quickly check on that. So if I'm going to sell 30 ASR, okay, at this current price now, I'm going to be selling for $89, $89.2. All right, now I'm going to do a rough calculation right now. So 89.2 times 575, that's going to give me 51,290. So when I subtract it from what Access Bank is going to charge me, then I should be having a profit of 5,290. All right, so that's how I do my calculation before I can be able to run this transaction. So when I multiply this by the limits, I prefer to do 900. So you are going to be earning 47,000 in the what is it called, in the yearly plan. All right, most times it's bigger than this depending on your buying and your selling rates. All right, so that's it, guys. You need to do these calculations for each and every trade you are going to be doing out there in arbitrage. And in a situation where you cannot do this calculation before engaging yourself in the transaction, it's best to see someone who has done the transaction, then you copy what the person did and get the same results. It's that simple. All right, it's that simple. So that's it, guys. So if you love the content, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do that. All right, so for the platforms that still works, Paybis is an amazing platform. I so much love that platform. Honestly speaking, I so much love them because they keep giving us tips and strategies to do arbitrage safely. All right, and another tip I'm going to be giving you guys is please trade carefully. Please trade carefully. Banks are on us right now for a blocking of account. I've been hearing a lot from the platform, our arbitrage hero. If you're yet to join that, please kindly do so. So we've been hearing a whole lot of stuffs like blocking of account, bank accounts, and all that, but you need to trade carefully. All right, don't use your cards to buy crypto. All right, that's my advice to you. Don't buy crypto with your ATM cards. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. Okay, so this match is an amazing month, and the profit target we are looking at this month is 200k. All right, we've slashed it from 400k to 200k. Okay, that's because of the way our economy is. Okay, so we'll be having a minimum of 200k. So if you're not making 200k this month, that means what do I tell you right now? That means you're not an arbitrage hero. Okay, so this is our platform on WhatsApp. If you're here to join, please do so to do please do well to join that arbitrage hero. Okay, I actually posted about this NFT. Please do not miss this for anything. Do not miss this for anything. It promises to be enriching. Okay, it promises to be enriching. All right, so do well to get yourself ready, both mind, body, and soul. Let it be ready for tomorrow. 8 p.m. is the time, guys. 8 p.m. All right, that's the time for the masterclass, and it's completely free of charge. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you love the values, kindly smash that like button. And one more thing before I wrap up this video. Many of you are complaining you don't know how to run transaction on NIMT and SIMT. Okay, that's for the international transfers on these platforms, and I'm going to be doing a quick video in my next video. I'm going to be doing a quick video to show you how to do that. Okay, so watch out for that. Kindly smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you next time. Cheers.